Hey guys, welcome to the first devlog for my game. I've been wanting to learn LibGDX for game development for a while, so I decided why not make a devlog series on it. So here we are. If you guys don't know what LibGDX is, it's a pretty cool cross-platform Java game development framework based on OpenGL. With it I can create a game that runs on Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, Mac, and even your web browser. Okay, so the game is going to be about your character who falls down a hole and you have to avoid all the obstacles like railway tracks, giant worms, and other obstacles. To control the character, you can drag across the screen and he will follow. I am also thinking about adding some kind of explosive device you can find and grab while falling that you can throw to destroy the obstacle below. Now on with the devlog. The first thing I did was try to get an image to follow the cursor, which went well. After a few more minutes, I finally got it working. I liked the placeholder image that I had been using for a little while now, but I needed something original, something amazing, so I decided to put all my art skills into making something new. So I created this guy. I call him James. He'll be the character in this game, for the foreseeable future. James can run, jump, do spins, but most importantly, fall. Yes, I know he doesn't look the best, but I'm, very good at art, don't worry. Once I got James properly settled in and comfortable, I set to adding the first obstacle. A blue line. Nah, it's not done yet. It will come soon, hopefully. It took nearly an hour, but I managed to get a blue line, with a little gap moving upwards. At this point, it was getting a bit late for a school night, so I decided to head off to bed. On the second day, the sky was created, or rather the background. I worked on getting a background and some walls working. This both provides the illusion that the player is actually falling instead of everything floating up, and just makes everything look better in general. The next thing I tackled was movement. At the moment, you can just make the character teleport to your cursor instantly, which makes it a bit boring and too easy. I thought about how I should approach this and decided to make the character glide smoothly. I was messing around with a few different ways I could make the character glide when I definitely 100% came up with the perfect solution all on my own. It now smoothly follows the cursor and doesn't instantly teleport. This makes movement feel a lot more polished. So that was my first devlog video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was really fun to make and learning LibGDX has been amazing. I'll have a link in the description for LibGDX if you want to check it out. I'll also link a web version of the game, which I have temporarily named Falling James, if you would like to play it. Feedback and ideas are very much welcome. The web version is a bit more unstable than the actual Java version, but it should work fine enough. This game will also be primarily a mobile game in the future. Anyway, this is it for the video. Next devlog should hopefully come out within the next 50 years or so.